Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to pull an container image from the registry, and then we are going to run that container image. So let us start. I have already opened up one of the tutorial for the Podman. So this is the cube by example tutorial. I will share the link with you. So it is a learning path for the container fundamentals using the Podman. So first, you have to open your PowerShell and you have to start the WSL. We have got Ubuntu Linux distribution in the WSL, so we have to start the WSL first. Otherwise, the Podman will not work because Podman is installed in the Ubuntu WSL. So now the Podman has started. You can see it here. It welcomes you to the Ubuntu LTS. There are some links for the documentation, management, and support. Now you can start with your Podman commands. The Podman will start. So first command is Podman pull UBI8. So UBI8 is one of the images. I think it is a Ubuntu image. Let us see. So it is okay. So it is Red Hat. So it is pulling the Red Hat uh, image, container image. So now it is copying the Red Hat blob. So we will install a Red Hat container inside our Ubuntu WSL. So this is how the image is getting pulled from the registry. So the registry is nothing but a collection of images on the server. So you can download it from there. This is the signature for the container. Now we have successfully pulled the image. Now you have to list the locally cached images. So for this you have to use this command, Podman images. Just open the PowerShell, type it there, enter. So here you can see it. There are two registries. One is this Fedora and second one is UBI8, that is from the Red Hat. So you have got two images locally cached. Now what we will do is we will go ahead. We will start a container and run bash interactively in the local terminal. So for that we will use this command podman run space -it ubi8 bash. So out of these two locally cached images, we will start the image for the Red Hat, that is the UBI8. So you have to just paste this image and then enter. So it is now running. You can see it here. It is running and it is showing us that we are logged in as a root at D56CF97D0276. So you can see this is the image ID. So we are logged in as a root inside this container. Now we can exit the bash terminal, which will terminate the container. So if we now execute this exit command, it will terminate the container. Before that, let us list the running containers. So that will be very important to see. Let us see. Okay, so since we are now inside the container, we are attached to the container, we will not be able to show you the list of containers running. So what we will do is we will first exit from the container. So now you are exited from the running container. Now you can use this this command to list available containers. So here you can see it. It will show you the name of the container, ID of the container, command, that is the bin bash, when it was created and when it was exited. So we already have one container that we exited earlier 14 hours ago. One newly created container image, that is this, and this is the container image that we operated. So we created and we run this container earlier. So you can see it exited 11 seconds ago. So this is the latest container that we tried to run inside. the WSL. So it was running successfully. Now what we have to do is we can fire up the container. So just copy this command, Ubuntu run space dash id ubi bash. So it will run the container. So here you can see it is running and it is showing us some hexadecimal code. I think it is the signature or what. Let us see. We will go a little bit ahead. Now let us inspect the process tree on the system. So for that you have to use this command, ps tree space dash capital S L N C. So we can try this command. Let us see. So now what it is showing is init, then initialize the bash, the ps tree. Then these are the commands, Podman pause, debug daemon. So you can pause it. You can pause the process tree using Podman pause. Then this is the debug daemon. I don't know what this is. And below is the common. So the common path, there is bash ipc, this is mount, this is network command, this is the process id and the uts. So you can use this commands to see the to do the mounting, do the networking, check the process ids, and uts I don't know what exactly it is. So these are all commands. So if we go in detail, I can show you this, but I think not many of the users on our channel are interested to check this out. Maybe some users with the computer science background or already studying in computer science background might be interested to check out. So if you want to go in details of the Podman, please leave a comment on the video. Then I will do more videos on Podman and even Dockers also. Otherwise, I will stop the this Podman container videos here only, and maybe sometime later we will do the Docker video. Otherwise, I'm not interested to do more videos because not many people are interested. So I will do the videos uh, as per the interest of the users, majority of the users. So please drop a link, drop a comment that you want to watch more videos on Dockers, containers, Podman. So then I will do more videos. Otherwise, I will stop those videos here only, and maybe later on, maybe after a few months, we can do it another session of videos on Podman, Docker, and containers. So now, yes, what we can do is, I will not go in too much details. We will skip this too. So here it is, this command will run an nginx container to see the user and group mapping in action. So we will not do this because we are not installed the packages for the user and group mapping. Otherwise we could have done that. So I will not go through this. What we can do is we can kill all the Podman containers. So you have to use Podman kill all command to kill all. This will stop all the containers running in the Podman. Then you can use this command to remove all the containers that were installed. So it will remove all the images. Here you can see it has removed, and these are the IDs of the signatures of the containers. Now we go ahead and we remove all the cached container images using a single command. So this is how it works. So here you can see it has untagged. First it is the image is unregistered from the registry, and then those two images, one was the Fedora image and second was the your Red Hat container image. So Fedora container and Red Hat container have been unregistered and deleted. So the images are no longer available, and if you want, you have to reinstall them using the podman pull command. So we have done a short life cycle of the containers in Podman. This is how we manage the containers using Podman. So this was very short. We have not covered all the commands. There are many commands, at least I think 30-35 commands will be there different to manage the containers. But we have just done a short start basic commands. We have created, we have registered the container, we have run the container, we have stopped the container, we have deleted the container and removed the container images from the registry. So this is all we have done. We have removed the container from the local cache and the local registry. So with this, I stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.